Good morning, grade threes. It's mathematics today, and we are looking at directions, angles, and lines. Directions, angles, and lines. That's our topic. Have you written down, Michelle? Okay. Oh, you have got the textbook. Okay, Mishi, I have seen that. So there was no need for you to photocopy because you have it. That's good. Okay, Agatha. Agatha is frozen there. Agatha. Okay, there's only Michelle now left. Okay, Michelle, I want you to look at what I have here. Okay, look at this.
I can see.
You can see.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, other people are joining. Can you unmute yourself, Raylin or Kieni there? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, if you look at this, it has given us 4 major cardinal points. These are called cardinal points. Okay, who can tell me what that stands for? The N, what does it stand for? It's Raining. Okay, Kien?
No.
Yes, the north. It stands for north. And then the W there. Agatha?
West.
West. And this one, Railing. The E stands for okay, let's hear from somebody. Kien?
East.
Yes, the East. Why is Rayleigh not talking there? He raises his hand and then he doesn't say anything. Okay, and then this one. Yes, Michelle.
South.
Yes, it stands for south. And if we write it short, it is like all the 4 cardinal points. If we write them in short, it is like news. It is like what? News. Okay. Now we want to hear about, okay, if you want to go to any place, you are following a certain direction. If you want to go to any place, you are following a certain direction. Who can tell me the direction where the sun rises? The direction where the sun rises. Agatha is frozen there. Where does the sun rise? Yes, Misha.
At north.
The sun. No. The sun rises at which direction, Kien?
The east. The
Yes,
east.
good, Kien. It rises in the east. And where does it set? Kien again?
West.
Yes, it sets in the west. I want you to look at the paper that I've sent on the group. The paper that I sent on the group. Agatha, you are still frozen there. Okay. The paper that I sent on the group, it had a map. It had a grid map. Michelle has got a book there. I hope others you photocopied, because I sent that message on the group. I sent the pictures so that they can photocopy for you, because we want to discuss this together. So we are going to use these directions that we have talked about to see where the following things are located at. Okay, Michelle, are you looking at the map now? Okay, I sent this on Monday on the group and on the grade 3 group. Okay, so can you look at that, at the map? If you have got that picture, can you please look at it?
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, Scani. So you're coming in and going out. Okay, we are doing mathematics and we are looking at directions, angles, and lines, but today we are focusing on directions. Today we are focusing on directions. Okay, if you couldn't print, I hope they can give you the phone where the pictures are. Can you try to get the phone where the pictures are that I sent? Okay, on that grid map, it is a map for a village in Zimbabwe. It is a map for a village in Zimbabwe. Okay, Agatha, you are still frozen because Agatha also has got the paper. Scani, so do you have it, the picture?
Yes.
Yes, good. So at least I can have some people who will be helping me out here. Okay, so I said this is a grid map showing a village in Zimbabwe. And we have our 4 cardinal points there at the corner. I have seen the paper. Agatha, you can put it down. Okay, we have the 4 cardinal points at the corner there, at the left hand side corner, at the top there. We have our 4 cardinal points. And we have got a box that is, yes, Agatha, I have seen. Can you put it down? Put it down and look at what we are saying here. Okay, in box 1 and 2, what do we have? Can you see those numbers, Scaniso and Michelle? On box, and Agatha also, but she's frozen. Can you see the boxes? Can you tell me what is, if you are going on the horizontal side, it's from like this, from left to right. There are some numbers at the top. And on the vertical side like this, what do we have outside the map there? What is written there? Yes, Michelle?
There are alphabets.
Read the letters. We have A, B, C, D. Michelle, you can't read A, B. Okay. And then I want you, Michelle Skanyiso, I want you to tell me what is on the box that is numbered A, and then we have got 1, 2 at the top. What is there? What things are there? What can you see there? Yes, can you see?
Trees and bridges.
There are trees, good. And then on, can you see where it's written key there? Can you see where it's written key? On the right hand side there. Okay, so
Yes.
if you don't know what the feature there is, you can check from the key they've written there. Can you see where there are trees there? They wrote trees, and then we have got a river there that is whitish, bluish like, and then we also have got a road. Can you see how the road looks like?
Yes.
And also the bridge, the school. The school, it has got the letter S. And we also have a clinic. There is a cross there. Okay. So what can you see in box 3? On box 3 there, what can you see?
A road.
Yes, there is a road. Very good, Skanyiso. Yes, and then in box 4, Michelle, what can you see?
A village.
Yes, there is a village. Very good. And then let's look at B. In box 1, A, B in box 1. What is it? There are 2 things. There are 3 things. Yes, Kanyiso?
A bridge.
Yes, there is a bridge. And what else, Agatha?
A river.
A river, yes, Kien. What is the 3rd thing, Kien? A what? Okay, I can't hear you, Kien. Okay, so there is a river, there is a road, and there is a bridge. Yes, and then what about in box 3, C3? In box C3. Skanyiso?
A clinic.
Yes, there is a clinic. And then in box D1. In box D1. Okay, Kieni, I have seen. Okay. D1, what is there, Agatha?
There's a school.
Yes, there is a school. And then in D4. D4. In D4 is Michelle. There is a
Market.
yes, there is a market. Good. Now let's look at the questions below there. Let's look at the questions below there. Use the grid map and key to answer the questions. What is in block A4? What is in block? The block is that box. Block A and 4. What is there? Guys,
A village.
yes, there is a village. Good. And what is in blocks D1 and D4? D1 and in D4, there are 2 things there. Look at D1 first. What is there? Agatha.
In block D1, there's a school.
Yes, there is a school. And then in D4? Michelle?
In block D4, there is a market.
Yes, there is a market. Very good. And then they are now saying, you still remember? Our north, at my picture here, our north there, our west, our east, and our south. And even on that picture there, on the left-hand corner, at the top, we also have got this thing. We also have got the cardinal points there. So now they are saying, travel north from the market. Can you see where the market is? Put your finger on your market. Yes. Put your finger on your market. Yes. So you are standing there. You are standing there at the market. Yes. And then I want you to turn west of the market. West of the market is on the west is on the left-hand side. Okay. And when you reach the trees and bushes, when you reach the trees and bushes, what building will you find there? What building will you find? Yes, Skanyiso? You'll find what?
You'll find the clinic.
Okay, yes, you find the clinic. Wow, today's lesson is so exciting. Okay, let's look at number 2. Let's look at number 2. I want you to write down the grid blocks where you will find these places. So you write like this, written there that the block A4 or D1 or they say what. So I want you to write the grid blocks where you will find these places. There is a noise coming from somewhere. I don't know where the noise is coming from. Okay. Michelle, can you hear? Where is this noise coming from? Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
I said we are now doing number 2. Look at number 2, Agatha, Michelle, so open your video. I said write the grid blocks where you find these places.
Teacher.
Yes.
This is number 2.
Which one? Okay, you don't have the answers. Listen to the questions. You can put your paper down. Listen to the questions. Use your map. Use your map to answer the questions. Agatha, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. I said write the grid block where you will find these places. A, bridge. The bridge. So you have to write the letter first and the number of the block where you find the bridge. Yes, Michelle is writing. Agatha, have you understood? Kanye, so can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I want the grid block where you find the bridge.
Teacher, I'm done.
Hey, can you tell me the answer?
It's at block 1. B1.
Yes, B1. Very good. Very good. Okay, what about the school? The school. Kanyiso? Kanyiso, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Where is the school, Kanyiso?
The school is on D1.
Yes, it's D1. Very good. Yes. Yes, Agatha, have you seen that?
Yes. Teacher,
Okay, that's correct. The last one? The last one, the village. The village. The village, Agatha.
A4.
Yes, it's A4. So can you see that this is simple and exciting? So that was that for directions. Next time when we meet, we are going to look at angles and lines. So today we were doing directions and we were using the grid map that we are given there, and we were also using the 4 cardinal points, which are north, east, west, and south. Railing and Kieni there, can you check from your phones the pictures that I sent on the group, and that can also help you, but I'm going to send also on Google Classroom, and then you answer the questions neatly. Okay, we'll meet again tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.